It's not every day that a Chinese carmaker flips the table on both gasoline and electric rivals. But in 2025, BYD has done just that, rolling out a turbocharged boxer engine that is so compact, smooth, and powerful that engineers around the world are scrambling to understand how they pulled it off. This isn't just about horsepower or range. It's a direct challenge to the entire EV industry, even as the world moves away from combustion engines. Could this engine change everything we thought we knew about the future of cars? Internal combustion engine innovation was supposed to be finished. Most of the world's biggest automakers have already staked their future on batteries and electric motors, retiring their teams of engine engineers and shifting focus to software and cells. Then BYD, the Chinese giant already outselling Tesla in global EV numbers, revealed a secret project nobody expected: a fresh, turbocharged boxer engine designed specifically for their new high-end plug-in hybrid. Overnight, the engine world woke up. The classic boxer, or flat four, layout is a legend in its own right. Porsche made it famous with its iconic 911, and Subaru brought the design to everyday drivers with its rugged all-wheel drive cars. The beauty of a boxer engine lies in its balance. Two pistons push out from each side, meeting in the middle. This lowers the center of gravity, minimizes vibration, and delivers a smooth power delivery, even under hard acceleration. So why, in 2025, would BYD bet on a boxer engine while the rest of the world is busy chasing kilowatts? The answer begins with the Yangwang U7- BYD's new luxury flagship sedan. This isn't a legacy vehicle clinging to outdated tech. It's a showcase of some of the most advanced ideas in modern mobility, available in versions powered entirely by batteries and others blending combustion and electric power in the most seamless way seen yet. For the plug-in hybrid version, BYD's engineers started with a blank slate. They wanted an engine that was light, compact, and powerful enough to supplement electric motors, while also being quiet, efficient, and refined. The numbers are impressive. The new turbocharged Boxer 4 displaces just 2 liters, yet delivers 268 horsepower, an output that rivals performance engines twice its size. Even more remarkable, the engine is slimmer than the latest flat fours from Porsche, the global benchmark for this architecture. Achieving this required new engineering techniques, new alloys, and a willingness to completely rethink what a combustion engine could be. But BYD's goals went beyond power. The luxury U7 sedan also had to deliver exceptional comfort. Engineers obsessed over noise and vibration, spending months refining the engine's mounting and soundproofing. The result is a flat four that is only a single decibel louder than the fully electric version of the same car. For anyone who has ever heard the throaty burble of a boxer engine, this is nothing short of magic. It redefines smooth and quiet, while preserving the soul and character that only a real engine can offer. BYD's decision to use a turbocharged boxer engine wasn't about nostalgia or branding. It was an integral part of the hybrid system's architecture. Most plug-in hybrids use inline or V-shaped engines, squeezed in next to batteries and motors. The U7 takes a different approach. Its engine is stacked directly above the powerful front electric motors. This engineering choice frees up space, helps balance the vehicle, and makes the entire system more efficient. It's a masterclass in packaging. Nothing is wasted, and every inch serves performance or comfort. The results go beyond smoothness and power. They deliver stunning range. BYD claims the plug-in hybrid U7 can travel more than 600 miles between fill-ups and charges. In an era where range anxiety still haunts electric vehicle buyers, that number is more than bragging rights. It's a game changer, especially in markets where charging infrastructure is still catching up to demand. There's another twist. This engine isn't connected to the wheels in the traditional sense. In what's known as an EREV, extended range electric vehicle configuration, the Boxer engine's main job is to generate electricity for the batteries, which then power the electric motors. This means drivers get all the torque, instant response, and smooth acceleration of a true EV, but with the added confidence of a full gasoline tank when the road stretches far ahead. There are no gears to shift, no complicated transmissions, just a clean, reliable handoff between gas and electricity. The Yangwang U7 isn't the only headline act from BYD's luxury brand. but it may be the most ambitious. It launches alongside the U9 supercar, a showcase of active suspension technology, and the U8 SUV, which stunned the world with its ability to swim and perform zero-point tank turns. Engineers at European and American car makers are quietly taking notes. In an industry that seemed ready to leave combustion behind, BYD has proven that there's still room for new tricks, fresh technology, and a new kind of hybrid that doesn't force drivers to choose between performance and range. It's a wake-up call for anyone who thought the future of cars was written solely in silicon and lithium. The launch of the U7's plug-in hybrid signals a new chapter in automotive design. It's a move that could send shockwaves through boardrooms from Stuttgart to Detroit. If a Chinese automaker can out-engineer Porsche and outsell Tesla in a single stroke, who really leads the future of driving? And what comes next as BYD's rivals scramble to catch up with a car that was once considered impossible? When hybrid power isn't a compromise, the BYD Turbo Boxer's true disruption. For years, the word hybrid implied compromise. Car buyers were told they had to choose performance or efficiency, excitement or responsibility. A hybrid was meant to be practical, not thrilling, a choice for those who valued gas mileage over goosebumps. The engineering world accepted this trade-off, producing millions of reliable but uninspired vehicles that filled the roads with sameness. Then came electric vehicles, promising to erase that compromise for good. But even as the future looked brighter and cleaner, a new anxiety crept in. The fear of running out of charge, the limitations of public infrastructure, and the sense that something vital was missing from the driving experience. That was the backdrop against which BYD quietly built its revolution. The Yangwang U7's Turbo Boxer Hybrid is the answer to every one of those doubts. It did not just arrive in a press release, it landed with the force of an earthquake. On the surface, it looked almost too simple. A turbocharged, flat-four engine, just 2 liters in displacement, tucked elegantly under the hood of a full-size luxury sedan. The numbers seemed almost ordinary at first, but the story unfolding behind them was anything but. To understand the full impact, start with the way the engine interacts with the rest of the car. BYD's engineers knew that shoehorning an engine into a modern hybrid is usually an exercise in compromise. Engines compete for space with electric motors, batteries, and control systems, leading to awkward packaging and added weight. But the Boxer engine, by its very nature, is slim, wide, and balanced.